Mua ko te paurota ko te pau whakauruhanga atu ki te tonga. Te manu hairangi te tau I karoko kiri ki te mate hoki ki te ora. Ki mihia, whano, hara mai te toki. Hauri, huia, taiki. So this is Kupe's anchor stone, known as Maunga Roa. This is the anchor stone that Kupe brought over from Hawaii, and we know that as the vicinity of Tahiti. And the location of where this anchor stone resided for almost 1,000 years is a place called Tawhiti Kuri. And that's the same place where the Kahu Ropata landed, and Kupe took out the anchor stone and placed it on the whenua at a place we call now Ngāti Toa domain, where Tawhiti Kuri. Now when a Polynesian lays his anchor stone onto the whenua, that was his declaration to his world that he had discovered Aotearoa. So tēnei whenua kia nei, karanga nei ko Aotearoa, ko tēnei whenua nāku. So that's the kōrero that we have down here in down at Te Upoko Te Ika for Kupe. So that's Maunga Roa, and the name of the anchor stone, he went to a place called Te Toka Papa, which is a reef outside of Wellington in Porirua. And he took a stone off there, and the name of that stone is called Te Wharewaka. And that's the stone that Kupe took back to Tahiti after he had circumnavigated Aotearoa. And according to us here, when he came to Aotearoa, all he saw was Tuia, Weka, Kiwi, Kaka. So there were no people. He goes back to Rarotonga, and it looks as though from Rarotonga, the word went all through Polynesia of this land known as Aotearoa. Te whenua nā Kupe, I ki te tuatahi mai. So that's Maunga Roa, our anchor stone, brought over from Hawaii, from Kupe himself. And it's been residing in the Porirua Harbour for over 1,000 years, but currently resides at the Pātaka Museum. So no mahara mai ki te titio, I te whawhai tō koutou tūnga. And that's how the name Porirua comes. Two pori, one was dropped off, anchor stone, and another one was taken. So Porirua. Kia ora.